Hello and welcome. Today I am working on another 16 by 20-inch canvas from Michaels, and I am really excited about the colors I am going to be using today. I want to do something fun with the base color, so I am just going to layer the oxide black with the parchment, and I am going to do a ring pour for my base. Then I am going to layer all my other colors in a cup, and I am going to do a reverse ring slash ribbon pour on top of the ring pour base. So you're going to see that in a second, but I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this video, and I will talk to you again during the rest of it is dry, and I am loving the colors and the composition. I mean, I really do love these colors. So that green gray, that's a custom color. This blue, like King's blue color that I made, that's a custom color. This like grayish color that I used, yeah, like brownish grayish color that I used there, that's a custom color. I wish I had more of my rings that was that I poured down first before I ribbon my layered cup on top, but I'm happy some of it still stayed. That's why I wanted to keep the perimeter. That's why I wanted to keep the perimeter of the composition, because that is where most of my rings still reside. I absolutely love this painting. And when it dries, I'm definitely gonna varnish it. I also am getting ready for a craft show coming up on the 21st of February. So I will be doing a lot more smaller paintings because those are mainly the ones that I like to sell at my craft show. So they're easier to carry, and I can price them a little bit better. But that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.